Hello, this is Jamie from Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to just do a short yarn haul video. I recently ordered yarns from Joann's and Hobby Lobby because they both had some pretty good sales going on, and I needed some specific yarns for a couple of projects I'm doing, and then I just stocked up on some things that I normally use. So I'll just go through and show you what I got and give you any information about it. First of all, I got a bunch of the Bernat baby blanket yarn. It was on sale. I think they're usually like $11 for this large ball, which has, I think it's like 220 yards. Um, it's a 10.5 ounce and yeah, 220 yards. And this is a size 6 yarn. It's polyester. It kind of feels like chenille. If you've never used it, it's really soft. This is the baby blanket. Bernat also has regular blanket yarn, which is very, very similar. This is just a little bit softer. But I think that these were on sale for like $7 or 6 something. And then I also had 20% off of that. I try to get these when they're on sale. I never pay full price for them because it's just a lot, and I sell things on Etsy and the price just adds up and then people don't want to pay that amount. So I try to get it on sale when I can. But I ordered a bunch of this in different colors. I'll just show you this one. And then I ordered more blanket yarn because I've been doing a different brand here. I've been doing a lot of stuffies lately, and like I said, this yarn can get expensive, and you want to be able to keep the cost down for yourself and for your customers. So I saw that they had this Big Twist cuddle yarn, which is basically the same thing. It's 220 yards, the same size 6, and it's just a little bit different, but you really can't tell a difference. And these were only $5, and then I had 20% off of that. So I think it was like a few weeks ago I had ordered a few of these in red just to try them out, and there were some reviews on there saying, "Oh, this yarn is horrible, it splits, it's, all tied together and everything." Well, I went through 3 skeins of the red, and I had no issue with it at all. So I want to show you the difference between the Bernat blanket, which is what everybody usually uses if they're using a blanket yarn, and then this Big Twist, which is like half the price. So here I made 2 different hearts. This one is made with Bernat blanket, and this one is made with the Big Twist cuddle. You really cannot tell a difference at all. This is the Bernat blanket is a little bit softer, maybe a tiny bit thicker, but you really can't tell a difference. And so I would say go for it. And since I did the red ones, I've used a few other skeins of this as well, and I've had no issue at all. I never had a break in the yarn. I never had it split. If anything, to be honest, the Bernat baby blanket, I've had a few times where it's just been kind of tied together in the middle of a skein, and I just either crochet over it if I'm able to or cut and reattach. But I did not have that problem at all with the Big Twist. So I say go for it if you want to save a little bit. And so I bought a bunch in gray. I think I bought 4 of the white, and I don't know, whatever. They don't have a ton of colors compared to Bernat, but I just bought up whatever they had in solids. All right, so moving on. I don't even know what's in all of these because I just cut them open for the video, and they came in different packages. Oh, okay, these are the Ogos. This is Red Heart Super Saver, which I don't really love using because it's not as soft. It does soften up once you wash it, but these are actually pretty nice, and these were so inexpensive. I think these were like $2 and something on their site. So I bought a bunch of these, and then, like I said, I also had 20% off of that. So I got these for like, I don't know, maybe $2, just under $2, and I think that's worth it. This is 236 yards, and it's a size 4 yarn, and I don't know if you want the color. The color is wood grain. So I got this one. I got 2 of those actually, and then I got this rainbow one. It's called Baby Rainbow, and I think I bought 4 of these, but they shipped them all at different times, so they must be coming from different stores or something. So I think I just have one as of right now. And I have another color that's coming as well, but I noticed that wasn't coming for a few days, a few more days still. So it's like a red and pink or something like that. I don't know. I ordered a few of those. Okay, next Joann box here. Get my scissors. Kind of forget what I order. I tend to order in the middle of the night. I don't know about anybody else, but like my mind runs at night a lot, and it's always like crochet projects and stuff. And then I get online and I order stuff, and in the morning I see, oh, your order was placed. I'm like, oh my God, what did I do? This is Heartland, Lion Brand Heartland. I really love this yarn, and I try to get it when it's on sale as well. It's 251 yards. It's a size 4, and this specific color is Black Canyon. I use this a lot. I'll put a picture of a hat up here that I like making with this yarn because it's really soft. And this is my pattern. It's called the Robin Slouchy Beanie, and I have a tutorial for it on my channel, so I could put that in the description box below. And I also have a written pattern for it, so I'll put that below too if you want to make that. But I love the Heartland yarn. I have it in all different colors, and I use it all the time. I think it's usually around 5 something or maybe 6 for a skein, and it was on sale for like 4.20 or something like that. All right, and then I have a couple more Ogos. I tried to get all the colors that they had available just because you can really use this yarn for anything. Size 4 is, you know, pretty universal, and I loved all the colors that they had. This one is Jewel Tone, and I got 2 of those. And then, oh, I got these Big Twist cotton because I've never used their cotton before, and I just wanted to see how it compared to others. It kind of feels like the Lily Sugar and Cream, which is not my favorite, to be honest, because most cotton yarn just feels too rough for me. I don't really love working with it, except for I love this cotton from Hobby Lobby. That's my absolute favorite. If you don't like cotton and if you've never tried that one, I say go for it and try it because it is so soft and smooth and, you know, just not hard to work with and also not rough. So, but this is pretty, and I could use it for something, or I might put it in my giveaway that I'm doing, which I'm going to be doing a giveaway video. I'm going to probably record it today, and I think I'll put it up tomorrow or the next day. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss that. Excuse me. I'm going to be giving away a big box of yarn. You don't have to, you know, pay anything to get it or anything like that. So I'll just choose a winner at random. All right, so that's the Big Twist cotton. These were really cheap. I think they were like $1 something or maybe $2 at most. There's 107 yards, and it's a size 4 cotton. Okay, so next we have, oh yeah, some more. I got more gray and white Big Twist Cuddle. And then I got a Big Twist Value, and this was just like a cream or ivory. Yeah, because I needed a size 4 cream color just to have in my stash because I was out. This is Big Twist Value. It's 380 yards. This is really close to, I love this yarn from Hobby Lobby. This is maybe just a tiny bit thinner. I do notice a difference, like if I compare the two. I'll put up 2 blankets that I made, 2 Grafgans. The one on the left is a Nightmare on Elm Street blanket that I made with Big Twist yarn, and the one on the right is a Scream uh, blanket that I made for my nephew. You should be able to see on the picture, he drew that for me for Christmas, or, you know, painted it for me, and then I turned his painting into a blanket, gave it to him the next year. So that one I made with Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn, which is a little bit more expensive than the Big Twist, but it's still very reasonable. Hobby Lobby has all of their yarns on sale, 30% off every other week. So make sure if you order from them, you always order, or go into the store, always go in on the week where it's on sale for 30% off. But the Big Twist, even with that, is still cheaper. I think it's normally 4 something maybe, but I've never paid that. I always pay like 2 something, or I think this time it was like $3. So, and there's a lot of yarn in here, and it's really nice. You could just tell a little bit of a difference, like with the blankets, if I feel them, this one is a little thinner. But it's still really nice yarn. It works up really well. I like this yarn a lot. All right, then here's the last white Big Twist cuddle. And we're moving on to Hobby Lobby. So for Hobby Lobby, what did I get? I just kind of stocked up on some. I love this yarn, their Prince collection, and it's really soft if you've never used this. Like I said, these yarns, all their yarn is on sale every other week, 30% off. So I try to just get some pattern stuff when I am ordering from them. This is Amber Honey. The yardage is 252 yards, and it's a size 4 yarn. And these were on sale for $3.50, I believe. And then I got another one that I'll just use for something. This one's called Beret Day, and it's also 252 yards and size 4. And then I got 2 of this print, which I thought was really pretty. I don't really have projects lined up for these right now, but I'll use it at some point. This one's called Beach Ballad, and I got 2 of those. All right, so then I got, oops, sorry. I got some I Love This Chunky yarn. This is just the White Mist, and there's 109 yards in here, and it's a size 6 yarn. I love size 6 yarns. And this one is pretty good. I do like this. I think it was on sale for $3.50. My favorite was Sprightly yarn, a size 6 Sprightly, super chunky or super bulky, but they don't make that anymore, unfortunately. And I wanted to maybe make like a Easter basket. I have a pattern for that. I'll put a picture up here for the Easter baskets. I have a tutorial for it, which I'll put in the description box below, and also a written pattern if you want to make that for Easter. And it uses a size 6 yarn. And then I got this Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek Chunky. I've never used this one before, and I just wanted to try it out. So I just got a random color. This is low pill, which is nice, and you can kind of feel that. It's really soft. So it's a size 5 yarn, and there's 211 yards. And I don't remember how much this costs, but I just wanted to try it out since I've never used it before. And then I got 2 of the cottons. Like I said, these are my absolute favorite. This is I Love This Cotton from Hobby Lobby. This is Brights. I use this yarn probably more than any other yarn, this specific color. I make bags with it and face scrubbies and all kinds of things. I'll put a picture up here of the bags that I usually make with it and the scrubbies, the face scrubbies. And I do have a tutorial for both of those things, which I'll also put in the description box below. This is 153 yards, and I think it's on sale. When it's on sale, it's like $2.50 for a skein, but I absolutely love it. It's so soft. Let me see if I can show you the difference between this cotton and what a normal cotton looks like. I don't know if you can even tell, but you could just, this is just so much rougher than this. This is really smooth and easy to use. So I bought this, and I also bought the turquoise, which I think I'm going to put both of these in the giveaway. So somebody can try those if they've never tried them, or use them if they have used them. And then I think the rest of this, yeah, the rest of this is just regular I Love This yarn. And the solids come in, let's see, 355 yards, and it's $3.50, I believe, when it's on sale. So this is my favorite size 4 yarn to use. It's really soft. This is what I used for those 2 blankets. And let me just show you, oops, my yarns are falling. The differences here, well, let me grab another color. Here, this is the, what color is this? Dark olive. And I don't know if you can even tell a difference between these two yarns, but like I said, this cream one or ivory is just a little bit thinner. But otherwise, they're very, very close. And like I said, I use them both a lot. I bought this olive and the red that's down there, and the black for a blanket I'm making for my best friend from childhood. It's going to be another Nightmare on Elm Street blanket, but it's going to be different. I'll have Freddy Krueger on it. So I wanted to do it with the I Love This yarn instead of the Big Twist just because it's a little softer overall. And so yeah, I bought those for that blanket, and that's it for right now. Like I said, I do have some more Ogo yarn coming, but I didn't really want to wait a few days to make this video for that. But like I said, stick around. I'm going to be doing a giveaway in a day or two, and I have a ton of tutorials on my video or on my channel, so feel free to look through, and I'll put a thing at the end here with my playlist of tutorials. So check it out, and if you have any comments, leave them below. If there's anything you'd like to see me make on my channel, please leave that below. And if there's any yarn or anything that you have a question about, let me know. I did a yarn video a couple days ago of me cleaning up my entire like yarn stash, and so if you're into that kind of thing, like watching somebody organize, that's on my channel as well. But otherwise, thanks for being here. I hope that you subscribe and like the video and comment below, and have a great day. Peace.